Hey everyone! Welcome back to Digital Marketing Guidelines for Beginners. Today's topic is the social media revolution, adapting to emerging platforms. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget hit the bell icon before the video starts. Let's start the video.
Introduction. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital communication, the social media revolution continues to reshape how individuals connect, share information, and engage with the world. As established platforms evolve and new ones emerge, businesses and individuals alike face the challenge of adapting to these changes to stay relevant and harness the full potential of social media for personal and professional growth. The dynamics of change. Social media platforms have become integral parts of daily life, providing avenues for self-expression, networking, and content consumption. The landscape, however, is in a constant state of flux as new platforms rise to prominence and existing ones undergo transformations. Staying ahead requires a keen awareness of emerging trends and a willingness to adapt strategies to align with the shifting dynamics of the digital realm. Emerging platforms. New social media platforms often introduce innovative features and cater to niche audiences. From the rise of short-form video content on platforms like TikTok to the audio-centric experience of Clubhouse, the diversity of emerging platforms presents both challenges and opportunities. Adapting to these platforms requires a deep understanding of their unique characteristics and audience demographics. Strategic flexibility. The key to success in the social media revolution lies in strategic flexibility. Businesses and influencers must be agile, ready to pivot their approaches as user preferences and platform algorithms evolve. What works on one platform may not necessarily translate to success on another, necessitating a customized approach for each platform to maximize engagement and reach. Content evolution. The type of content that resonates with audiences is in a constant state of evolution. Visual content, interactive polls, live videos, and augmented reality experiences are just a few examples of the diverse content formats that have gained traction. Adapting to these trends requires a willingness to experiment, analyze data, and refine content strategies to align with the preferences of the target audience. Data-driven decision-making. As the social media landscape becomes increasingly data-driven, individuals and businesses must leverage analytics tools to gain insights into audience behavior and content performance. Understanding key metrics such as engagement rates, reach, and conversion is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing social media strategies for maximum impact. Conclusion. The social media revolution shows no signs of slowing down, and adapting to emerging platforms is essential for those seeking to thrive in this dynamic digital environment. Whether you are a business aiming to enhance your online presence or an individual looking to build a personal brand, staying informed, remaining flexible, and embracing innovation are the cornerstones of success in the ever-changing world of social media. By actively participating in the social media revolution and adapting strategies accordingly, individuals and businesses can navigate the challenges and seize the opportune.